I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you found your earnings on Uber Eats are on hold, follow these steps to unlock them. Step 1. Check your account status. Log into your Uber Eats driver account and check for any notifications or alerts. Sometimes, the app will indicate why your earnings are on hold. Step 2. Review your documents. Ensure that all required documents such as your driver's license and vehicle registration are up to date and properly uploaded. Missing or expired documents can lead to holds. Step 3. Contact support. If everything looks good, reach out to Uber Eats support through the app. Use the help section to submit a query regarding your earnings hold. Step 4. Follow up. After your initial contact, keep an eye on your email or app notifications for any responses from support. They may require additional information to resolve the issue. Step 5. Wait for resolution. Once you've provided any necessary information, be patient. It may take a few days for Uber Eats to review your case and unlock your earnings. Sometimes, the hold can be due to a simple oversight like an expired insurance document. Just make sure everything is current and you should be good to go. Good luck, and I hope you get your earnings unlocked soon.